Welcome to the era of instant cinema in 2026. If you are a creator, influencer, or business owner in the United States, you know that the distance between a high-budget Hollywood production and a viral social media clip has narrowed to almost nothing. We are no longer just asking which software has more buttons, we are asking which one understands the speed of the current algorithm and which one gives you the precision to stand out in a sea of AI-generated content. For years, DaVinci Resolve has been the powerhouse for cinema, while CapCut has dominated the mobile world. But in 2026, these two have collided on the desktop to fight for the soul of the creator economy. Today, we are doing a head-to-head comparison of DaVinci Resolve and CapCut to see which is the best video editor for your 2026 goals. We will look at their new one-click AI suites, their cloud collaboration features, and the pricing structures that are making creators choose between professional depth and viral velocity. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which editor belongs on your workstation this year. Let us start with the biggest evolution in the 2026 CapCut desktop workspace: generative B-roll and viral scripting. In the past, CapCut was seen as a simple mobile port, but in 2026, it has become a full-blown content factory. Their new AI engine can analyze your raw talking head footage and automatically generate high-quality 4K B-roll and synchronized subtitles that match the pacing of trending US TikTok and Shorts styles. This is an AI tool that doesn't just edit, it recommends the most viral-worthy hooks based on real-time data from the 2026 feed. This trick alone saves creators hours of searching for stock footage, as you can now turn a 30-second phone recording into a polished, multi-layered production in under a minute. If you are navigating the app today, look for the Auto Creator icon in the top toolbar. This is where the 2026 magic happens, allowing you to bridge the gap between having an idea and hitting publish. The second major pillar of DaVinci Resolve in 2026 is the Neural Engine 3.0, clinical precision. While CapCut focuses on what is trending, Resolve has doubled down on making your footage look like it was shot on a $50,000 camera. Their 2026 update includes Neural Object Isolation, which allows you to remove a person from a crowd or change the color of a specific car in the background with zero manual masking. For US creators in the high-end travel, tech, or automotive space, Resolve's color science remains the undisputed champion. In 2026, it is enhanced by AI skin tone preservation, ensuring that even when you apply heavy cinematic filters, your subjects look natural and professional. It feels less like a mobile app and more like a surgical tool for your pixels, giving you the depth of control that defines a professional brand in a crowded market. Now, let us flip the script and look at the social-first versus story-first workflow. If you visit the CapCut site today, you will see a focus on their Creative Cloud Hub. In 2026, CapCut allows you to film on your phone, start the edit in the cloud, and finish it on your PC with zero file transfers. It is a seamless, friction-free environment built for the creator who is always on. However, DaVinci Resolve has a different advantage: hardware acceleration. Because Blackmagic builds the actual chips and consoles used in professional studios, Resolve's 2026 build is so optimized that it can render 8K video faster than CapCut can even preview it. This level of raw power is what separates a quick turnaround social editor from a professional-grade mastering suite. For the US-based agency owner, having this level of stability and export speed is the difference between a productive day and a technical nightmare. For the high-volume creator, the 2026 caption and audio battle is the true decider. CapCut has introduced bilingual AI voice cloning, allowing you to translate your video into Spanish or Mandarin using your exact voice profile to reach a global audience with one click. This is the ultimate leverage play for US creators looking to expand their reach without hiring a dubbing team. Resolve counters this with Fairlight AI audio reconstruction, which can take a voice recorded on a noisy street and make it sound like it was captured in a professional studio. While CapCut gives you the speed of captions and music, Resolve gives you the quality of a Hollywood soundstage. It is a choice between a tool that helps you speak to the world and a tool that helps you sound like a pro. Let us talk about numbers and value, because the 2026 pricing for these two tools reflects their different philosophies. CapCut remains free to start, but to access the AI generative tools and 4K exports, you are looking at a CapCut Pro subscription of roughly $9.99 to $14.99 per month in the US. While it is affordable, it is a recurring cost that never ends. DaVinci Resolve maintains its legendary free forever version, which is actually more powerful than CapCut Pro for traditional editing. The Studio version is a one-time purchase of $295, which includes every advanced AI feature for life. For the creator who is tired of subscription fatigue, the one-time payment for Resolve is the smarter long-term investment. It is the choice between renting your creativity from a social media giant or owning your tools as a professional artist. Another factor we have to discuss in 2026 is the user interface and the barrier to entry. CapCut remains the king of low-friction editing, with its intuitive drag-and-drop timeline that anyone can learn in 10 minutes. It is designed for the creator who wants to spend more time on their content and less time on the technical manual. In 2026, Resolve's interface is more organized than ever, but it still utilizes a node-based workflow for its most powerful features, which can be intimidating for beginners. However, for the US-based creator who wants infinite control over their lighting and sound, the Resolve layout is a sanctuary of precision. It makes the complex process of editing feel like a craft, whereas CapCut makes it feel like a workflow. So, how do they stack up in the 2026 attention economy? CapCut's advantage is its direct integration with the platforms themselves. It knows which transitions are trending on the US feed before they even peak, giving you a predictive edge. Resolve's advantage is its longevity. A video edited in Resolve in 2026 will still look professional in 2030, whereas a template-heavy CapCut video might look dated by next month. This level of professional-grade evergreen quality is something that templated apps will likely never match, making Resolve the essential foundation for anyone who treats their digital brand as a long-term business rather than a short-term trend. Thank you for watching this 2026 comparison of DaVinci Resolve and CapCut. I have put the links to the latest 2026 pricing and a speed editing guide for both programs in the description below so you can see which interface fits your creative energy. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews of the tools that are actually moving the needle for creators.